Hello, my name is Shaki. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a login system in Python and how you can, play around with it and how you can also add your own management system. So I'm going to show you a little bit of my program. So uh, let's get into it. So you can use this for any personal use. So you can run it and you can see that this is the login page. You have a picture of this person here and you have your login. Whenever you click on it, you can see it has the username, and when I click on it, it goes away. If I type anything on it, it doesn't go away. So if I put in admin for the passwords, and if I log in, will come back admin, and if I put anything else, invalid login. So I will definitely try to update this and try to add a management system when logged in. So for now, I'm going to show you how you can make this login system. So let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is obviously make your new program or new file. So I'm gonna make a new file and all images will be in the description. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna say login underscore system underscore GUI underscore YouTube. So I'm gonna set that. Then inside here, I'm gonna put in my file name. I'm gonna put in let's put GUI or login underscore system. So now that we have that done, now we can start programming. So first I'm gonna get my assets so I can copy the images, which I will do right now. So if I come here and if I go to just a minute. Here, I can get the asset page. So can copy this, can go open this in a new tab and paste this. So you can see it has all the images here. It even has this entry box. Can't see it, it's there. So let's get to programming this. So I'm gonna code. Alright, so let's get into programming this. So I'm gonna import all of my modules. So I'm gonna say import tkinter.ttk from tkinter import everything from padlib import path from tkinter import tk canvas entry text button photo image from Tkinter import message box, and that's it. Now we can make our assets path. Assets for path is to path But R can copy the path. I'll copy the path right now. I'll just get the path. So you can see here, get the path, can paste it into here. Then I can say window, or you can put any name for it, is equal to TK. Now we will start on our web page, but first we need to get the absolute path, or we'll do that later. First we'll say window dot geometry 987.541 is what I put. Then the window dot config, the background equal to white. Then we can make a canvas. Put the canvas window bg is equal to ff, say white. We will put the height equal to 541 and the width is equal to 987. And we'll put the BD, or no, we don't need the BD because it's 0. We'll put the relief as ridge. This cannot import canvas. Okay, it's a spelling mistake. So you can see that nothing's coming, it's just a canvas here, which is good. Alright, now on the canvas we're gonna create the element. So canvas.create underscore text at 162.0 with 146.0. We will anchor as northwest with the text being as login. It'll be at the top of our page. Fill this to black. Now if we run this, oh wait, we have to put the font too. So I'm gonna put the font, just gonna write font is equal to enter extra bold. And 28. Okay. Alright, now that is done. I'll just anything else. Oh yeah, we need to create the next text element. So nothing is appearing but nothing is appearing. I need to why. Oh, because we didn't put the main loop, I think. So let's run that. And still nothing there. Alright, maybe we have to change the color to this color. Alright, I see the problem. we have to place our canvas dot place x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now it should be working. Yep. I messed up the size there. So to not mess up the size, I'll also make it not resizable. So I will say window dot resizable false, and we have to change this to you can see here, this is our page. You can see our login here. Alright, now for the next text element, we can say, we can copy this twice, and we can put position 162. To the 162, we can put 138, and I think 44 for this one. Yes, northwest. Should put this one 38 and 87. Alright, I think that's it. We just have to change the text now. So we have to change this to inventory. You can change this to whatever you want. And we can change this one, or we should actually change this font first. I don't like it that much. So we can change that to 16. You can say this online inventory manage system. And now that that's done, we can check how it looks now, and you can see it looks nice. So you can go to the next part, and that's for our username entry fields. So for the border, I basically just uploaded the image, so I can say entry underscore image underscore 1 is equal to photo image file is equal to relative. I'm going to make this functional on for 2 on assets. Okay, so let's make the function to getting the path of our image. For that, we can make one, make it here. You can say define relative to assets. You can put the path as string path. So after we did that, we can return our assets underscore path. So this gets our absolute image path relative to our assets folder. So now, and we need to say put the name entry underscore 2.ng. Then we can say entry underscore bg underscore 1 is equal to canvas dot create underscore image 266.0 228.0, and inside we should put the image equal to entry for image underscore 1. Alright, so now that we made the background, now we can say we have to make our entry now, otherwise if we run it, oh, never closed. Otherwise, if we run it, oh, we also have another error. Line 21. What did it say? Okay, assets, I spelled wrong. Assets. No, it's correct. Or, oh, it's actually, this is wrong. Right? You can see it just comes here. So our entry box will be written over this username place as a place. I just put this username here in the image just to show you guys where the entry box will be. Just for you guys not to be confused. That's where our entry will be. So it will be on top of it. And the little borders will be sticking out. So we can make our entry underscore 1 is equal to entry ed. Actually, no, we don't need BD. We can put our background white, our foreground as 000716. Color. Then we can say that's it. Yeah, actually. Now we're gonna put in the text inside. Username dot insert 0 username. Now if we run this, oh wait, we have to place it. You can say entry underscore 1 dot place x is equal to 172.0 and the y is equal to 213.0 with the width being 188.0 and the height 8.0. I don't need the decimals really, but you can see the entry box here, so I'm gonna remove this border. Alright, so we need to make our BD is equal to 0. Yep, so you can see our entry. Alright, so now that we've done that, we need to make our login button. Then we'll make our function for when you click on it. But first let's check this one more time. We need to make the password field also. So let's do that. So we're gonna copy all of this. Let's copy that. Just paste it. And we can put this 22222. Put this password. And I think everything else is fine. It should be 266. Yeah. Oh, and it should be 213 if correct. Alright. So let's check it out. How it looks. Oh, and we forgot to put this our image. And this should 1. I kind of switched out the images by accident. Coming an error like this. Let's see why. Wait, let's check the images. So you can see username is entry2. Entry2, yep. And this is entry1. Entry2. Oh no. This should be entry1. This should be entry2. think it's correct now. Entry underscore image underscore entry on. Let's run this. The error. Oh, okay. You can see here. Entry underscore bg underscore 1. We change this to 1. Alright. I'll just check here what we did. We did this. It's working. Now we need to do the same thing. I'll just write it all again. Alright. Now that we did that, you can say entry underscore image underscore 2 is equal to photo image file is equal to relative 2 underscore as for assets. And you can put entry underscore 1 dot png. Then on entry underscore 2 underscore bg underscore 2 is equal to canvas dot create for image 266.0 to 281.0. Image is equal to entry underscore image underscore 1. Alright, I'm just gonna check it now. Yup, working. So we'll just overwrite it. And I think I switched the images out. It should be like this. Oh wait, actually it'd be like this. Yeah. You can see now. Now we're just gonna put an entry box over this. I know the image names are kind of messed up. So now that we did that, need to put our entry. So you can say entry underscore 2 is equal to entry is equal to 0. Our background is equal to white. And our foreground is equal to 000716. And that's it. Now we need to place this image. So, and first insert some text in it. So insert 0 password entry underscore 2 dot place x is equal to 172, y is equal to 266.0, width is equal to 188.0, height is equal to 28.0, same as before. And once we did that, it should look like this. Now let's display our image here. To do that, we can say, I'll break this down actually, it's kind of complicated. Alright, now we're gonna make the image of the person. So the image of the person was the image name, image underscore 1. So you can say image underscore image underscore 1 equal to photo image file is equal to relative for 2 underscore assets image underscore 1 dot png. After we did that, image underscore 1 is equal to canvas dot create underscore image 709.0.309.0. Image is equal to image underscore 1. So now we uploaded our image. Can run this now. Happens, so you can see that there's a person right here. Now the image is here. Now we can make the function where if we click on this, it should disappear and reappear. For that, I will make a simple function where I'll make it up here. So I can say define on underscore enter and put in if entry is for 1.get equal to username. So if the entry is equal to username, then we know we have to clear it. So you can say entry for 1.delete 0 and alright, so now if we leave it, like let's say if we on leave, we can say name is equal to entry underscore 1.get. I have to this. So yeah. So entry underscore 1.get, and if the name is equal to blank space, then you can say entry underscore 1.insert username. Now with this we have to bind it. To do that, to bind any entry, you have to come on the entry and put entry underscore 1. So the name of the entry dot bind. Wait, I'll just put it after the place to look better. Entry underscore 1 dot bind, and then we can say focus in, then on enter is our function we made. Entry underscore 1 dot bind, focus out, on leave. So now let's try this. Oh, I forgot a comma. Where did I forget a comma? Okay, yes, here. Test this out. So now if I click on it, it should disappear. And if I write anything, it should not disappear. But if I make it blank, then it should reappear. We can do the same thing for the password. So we can put it here and on enter 2, on leave 2. So now if it's equal to password, we should delete it and we should make it show the asterisk sound or stars, and this should be 2, 2. Now that is done, you have to also make this 2. So if it's a blank, then we have to make it not show any asterisk sign, so we can just say show equal to nothing, and this should make it back to password. Oh, and I forgot to bind it, so let's bind it. We can do the same thing. We can copy it, place it here, say 2, 2, 2. That's it. So I'm gonna run this now. Now we can see if I write anything here and I click here, and if I remove it, it comes back. Same thing for the password, it becomes a star. If I click here, it's the same. If I remove it, then it becomes password. So now that we did that, we need to make our login system. So if we click inside, it should say successfully logged in. And after successfully logged in, you can put any code you want, which I will make a separate video about. So now that is done, we need to make our second window. So we have to make actually a button, which I forgot to make. So to make the button, we can just say login button. You can say button underscore image underscore 1 is equal to photo image file is equal to relative underscore 2 underscore assets. You can put in the button underscore 1.png, and you can say button underscore 1 is equal to button image on this, is equal to button underscore image underscore 1. You can make the border width 0. That's it. Now we also have to make the relief equal to flat. Now that we did that, that's our image. Image button underscore image underscore 1. Now we can try it. Oh, we forgot to show our button. Actually, so we can say button 1 dot place as x is equal to 174 and y is equal to 349.0. Width is equal to 212.0. Height is equal to 36. You can put 0.0 if you feel like it. And that's it for our UI. You can see here our login. So if we press our login button, it should do something. So we will make that now. So for our button, we can say command is equal to lambda second window entry underscore 1 and entry underscore 2. Okay, looks like that's it. So now we need to make this function second window. I'll just copy this and I'll just make it over. I'll just make it over here. Find second window. Right. You can just paste it, right? Alright. So we can start making this part of the code. So we can say if login is admin, or if the username is admin. Okay, we'll just do it right now. So you can say user is equal to entry underscore 1 dot get. So this will get the first entry box, and pass is equal to entry underscore 2 dot get. And if the user is equal to admin, and if the pass is equal to admin, you can say message box dot info show info welcome f, which is the f string, welcome back. You can put the user here. Else message box dot show error invalid login. So if it's wrong, it will show invalid login, then it will return. We also have to do the same thing outside. Oh, sorry. Do the same thing here. Else, we'll just do this. And we can return. Alright, I think that's it. So we can have a go ahead on this. So we can run this. Oh, lambda. Now we can run it. And we can see our window here. So if I put any other thing instead of the admin and admin, you can see it gives an invalid login. If I give one correct, this is invalid login. If I give both of them correct, welcome back admin. And after this, you can put any management system you want. So I will make a new video on that. So that's gonna be the end of this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you want me to make more videos like this, and comment down what I should do next. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.